What I'm going to show you now is how to configure the plugin for the conferencing, and also how to set up your PIN for dialing conferencing. Okay, I'm assuming you've already had the plugin installed by either by yourself or by MIS. So you'll notice the first time you run Outlook after installing the plugin, you'll get a message which I'll show you. So I'm just going to fire up Outlook. Okay, you can see there that we've got a message saying that the conferencing add-in has been installed, but that we've got to restart Outlook before we can use it. Alright, so what you need to do is just click on OK, and then what we'll do is we'll close down Outlook and just restart Outlook again. Alright, so that's Outlook closed. So what we'll do is just fire up Outlook again. You only need to do that once. Alright, here we are in Outlook. You'll now notice at the top of your Outlook menu bar, you'll have an extra menu which is conferencing. You'll also notice there's a few more buttons on your toolbar, such as Meet Now, Schedule a live meeting, and Schedule a conference call. Now, before we can use them, we just need to verify our account and just to make sure we've got enough information to be able to use it. If you click on the conferencing menu, you'll see there you've got a menu option there called User Accounts. Okay, if you click on that, alright, you get a small box pop up which is our user account setting. Now you don't need to change anything on this. All you need to do is just click the button at the bottom there marked Test Connection. Okay, so if you click on that, what it will do is it will go away and connect with OCS and just make sure you've got all the relevant permissions. You'll see there that it said that your information was successfully verified. So click OK. OK again. We're now ready to be able to arrange conference calls. Okay. The only other thing you really need to do before you start arranging the conference calls is actually set yourself up a PIN number. The PIN number is it'll be one PIN number that you use across all of your conferences. So it's useful just to set one up and make sure you remember what you've set. Now to do it, again, pop into the conferencing menu. This time go into Dial in Conferencing Settings. Now what this does, it actually connects to our communicator web access system. So it shows in the dial-in conferencing number there. Alright, so it's worth making a note of that because any dial-in conference that you arrange is going to use that phone number as the bridge. Okay, but what we want to do now is actually set our own PIN number. Now to do it, just click on the sign in. Alright, we want to sign in using English, so click sign in. Should ask us for our username and password. It's in the normal format. Prime UK and then your username. Alright, you'll see some basic information provided at the top here, such as your phone number and your extension number. Okay, what we want to do is change our PIN number. So click on change PIN and enter a new PIN. It needs to be at least 5 digits long. It's numbers only. Yeah, so you can't use sequential numbers. So create a new PIN number. There we go. That's done. So once you've done that, you're now ready to actually go off and arrange those conference calls. In the next video, I'll show you how to arrange a conference call and how to join it as well.